Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video session. On previous video session we have understood divisional structure, meaning, suitability, advantages and disadvantages. Now today I am going to proceed the continuation of organization structure, that is the difference between divisional and functional structure. Difference between functional and divisional structure. The first column includes the basis, second column functional structure, third column divisional structure. The first basis of functional structure and divisional structure is formation. So formation is based on the functions under the functional structure, whereas the formation is based on the product lines and it's supported by functions under the divisional structure. The organization is going to make a divisions. According to the divisions, they will frame a functions under a particular product line. So one product will be having a separate divisions compared with the another product. Specializations under the functional structure. The specialization is based on the functions. What kind of the activity is going to take place. Under the divisional structure, the specialization is product. Here, the main specialization of the department is product. Responsibility. Under the functional structure, it is difficult to fix on the departments because it is includes of all the product line and they were doing the task related to all the product lines deal by the organization or manufactured by the organization. So the division structure under that easy to fix the responsibility for performance because a particular product will be having a division under that the functions will be available. So it is easy for the particular division to fix the responsibility for the performance compared to the functional structure. Managerial development. Under the functional structure, it is difficult as each functional managers has to report to the top management. Here they will be having all the responsibility to answer each and every aspect to the top management. Whereas for the divisional structure, it is easier autonomy as well as the chance to perform multiple functions helps in the managerial development. The one who is working means one who will be called as a managing director, he will be expert in all the areas. So he will gain the all the knowledge related to the functions. So under the managing director, he must deal with all the functions under a particular product line. So he must be aware of the marketing, he must be aware of the HR, finance and sales also. Cost. Next one, cost. Functions are not duplicated, hence it is economical because a functional structure is ready to do the all the activities of each and every product. Here there is no duplication of work. All the product line has to assign each and every duty to the particular department. For example, take a product line as cosmetic. Under the cosmetic, workers are required to perform some job. Now they have to report it back to the particular HR team. Similarly, for the skincare, uh, they want to deal with a high skilled workers. They want to hire them. So same thing they have to report it back to the HR manager or HR team. So here there is no duplication of work. Every work has done by a particular department or functional department. So it will be easier for the organization and it will reduce the cost. Whereas a divisional structure, it is opposite. It is costly as well as the duplication of resources in various department. A product Next, like a product line like cosmetic, skincare, garment, footwear, everybody will be having a different activity. So everyone will be having a each department. In cosmetic, they will be having a HR, finance, marketing. Similarly, for the footwear, will be having a HR, finance, marketing, production, everything. So it will leads to some cost, or it will be added to the cost, because each department has to perform their duties differently, and also that duties are sometime in same in nature. Hiring a sales executive for the cosmetic division, similarly hiring the a sales executive for the footwear is similar itself, because you have to look into the candidate whether he or she will be capable to convince the customer or not. Only this much you have to see. So it will increase the activity, that is duplication of activity, so it will leads to the cost. Next, coordination, difficult for multi-product company. A company which is dealing so many products, it is very difficult for them to deal the functional structure. When as the divisional structure, easy, because all the functions related to a particular product are interrelated in one department. So coordination will be very easy for divisional structures, where each and every functions are interrelated and they will be cooperate each other, as compared to the functional structure. When the company is dealing with so many product lines, they have to follow with the divisional structure instead of functional structure. This completes a small topic. If you have any doubts, you can reach us by WhatsApp. Thank you.